Welcome to Fast Fix. Today I will show you how to update your WhatsApp on your Android phone. Open your Google Play Store and go to Profile Settings. Then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now here on Updates Available, you can see here all your applications that need to be updated on this Play Store. Now when you look at the WhatsApp right over here, and then when you tap this, now you need to update. So tap this button right here. Now when you look at your notification panel, you can see the WhatsApp Messenger is currently updating. So head over to that and wait for a few seconds to update this app. Now once you've done, tap on open. Now here is the updated version of your WhatsApp. And if you want to see if it's updated, go to the three dots and settings and scroll it down until the bottom and try to tap on help. And here on the app info, you will see the updated version of my WhatsApp. So it must be like this when you update your WhatsApp Messenger. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.